why I say start it with the wheels off the ground. Alright guys, today we took off the old Carb, the old OEM Honda Carb, and we're going to put on the old Chikuni off of my Baja Warrior. I got the gasket surface cleaned up, so now let's get the adapter bolted up. It has a 130 jet in it, so hopefully it won't be too much for the motor since it doesn't have a pipe on it yet. But let's get this installed and see if our little sputtering issue goes away. And y'all seen this 10,000 times, so I'm just going to time lapse it for you.
I've been there drinking and eating, and they got the music on. They would have been a whole party.
It turned into a whole liquor house over there.
Yep, and the people still coming through the door. I'm like, it's feeling sorry for you. You ain't really feeling sorry for me. No. I'm dancing for
Oh no.
Whole hot mess.
This cable ain't long enough.
Huh?
This cable ain't long enough. Oh, that sucks. Dang. I can't believe this thing is just like a few inches too short. Like an inch too short. Alright, so we finally got the throttle cable. Let's get it out the bag. Make sure that it is at least 2 inches longer. The end that hooks up right behind the throttle cable looks to be, you know, roughly identical. So that is great. The new cable is probably 20 inches longer. So the old cable ends here, new cable ends there. So let's go ahead and get it installed and get it hooked up to the Chikuni and see how it runs. Got the cable installed, it just goes under the seat, and now we can hook it up to the Chikuni. Alright, and this hooks up like any Mikuni or Mikuni knockoff hooks up, or Chikuni as I call it, a Japan Mikuni. So you take all your pieces out, and then you insert your cable through the top piece, and make sure that your cable slides all the way in. Slide the boot on top of it, and then you take your spring, push your spring through like so, and then you take your little ball head on the bottom of the slide. One side has like a little slit on it, and then a little ball keep there. You slide that through the bottom like so. You push the spring up over the top into the middle, just like so. And then the slide will only go into the carburetor one way. If you look down in there, you can see. And then you just slide this on. And one thing that I always check before I do my first start is that I'll pull the filter off and make sure that the slide is all the way down. And so if you pull the filter off and look in there, the slide should be all the way down. And I think that's close, but I don't think it's all the way down. So I pulled it out, and that is all the way down. I always recommend when doing like a first start to have the wheels off the ground. If not, it may run away from you. And I don't feel like chasing a go-kart today. not starting. And that is why I say start it with the wheels off the ground, because of that.